Hello guys, today we're doing another video. This is a very excited video as my first. So I have my friend, two friends here, Kai, his name's Goel for some reason, and Catvior.
What's this guy?
It's me.
Oh.
So
Hi guys.
we are gonna be
video.
do you know what we're gonna be doing?
Here.
Having a big time. Okay, first code guys. E-R-R-O-R.
Sorry.
Guys.
E-R-R-O-R.
That's the first code, guys.
What code?
E-R-R-O-R.
E-R.
R-O-R.
Oh. Dude, what is this?
Right, guys. This is scary because... Wait, is there a bot in this code?
There's someone in here, like. What? Is he back? Is he here? Is he here?
Wait.
No.
That's the fat guy.
Wait, I'm looking good. I'm looking good. Dude, no, play. Yes! Play. He's not here. Yeah, no, you left the code.
Wait, what do you mean? Who left the code?
Who's this?
Wait, someone...
Who was this?
I think, guys, there might have been a bot in the server because someone said he left. But this guy doesn't even have a mic. What is wrong with Boo? Boo.
He's a faker.
He's a faker. He has no mic. Look at that, Boo. Right, guys, I think we should go in a different code because we know no one's gonna do it.
Alright, bet.
Right, so the next code, guys.
Guys, you wanna see something? What code next?
The next code is Tiptoe. Tiptoe. Oh wait, no. He's flying! Wait, guys. Everyone, the city. Wait, this might be. Wait, guys, no joke. This actually looks.
Stay away from me.
Guys, this might be real.
Yo, I'm lagging so hard.
What? Guys. Wait, my friend's attacking me. Guys, I just got out. Guys, I might have just got banned. Did I just get banned? Wait, I'm in. Guys, I'm in. Wait.
No idea, bro.
Guys, I'm going back in Tiptoe. Guys, I need to go quick back in Tiptoe. I don't even know what happened. Right, I'm back in. Guys, I'm back in. That's right.
My badge! Get out of here! Okay, I can teach you. What's the scariest level? My badge! No, I'm good.
Wait, room full. Oh, guys, room's full. I just don't know I'm in public. Okay. Next code, as we know, E-R-R-O-R. He was pointing at the guy that's recording. He's pointing. Wait. I'm here. Guys, I'm here.
It's one Paul.
Guys, I actually got picked. Paul! Wait, it's Paul! We got it. I heard Paul. he on the metal breakdown? Oh, he's on the metal breakdown. Is he on the gymnastics or what? Why is everybody glitching out? I'm gonna touch his booty. Oh. Is he a car? Oh. Ah. Booties!
Oh, no! He just got disconnected! Yo, big a bunch of you. Dude, I'm reporting him. Wankers.
Everyone. No, don't report him.
Don't report him, he's fine. No! Don't report him!
Don't report him. You guys might get banned.
He's gone!
He's gone.
Nah, it's funny. It's funny.
It's funny. It's cool.
Yeah, no. Guys,
Yeah, guys. Let me just.
Everyone, join the code SEAL. Join the code SEAL.
We got lots of people for our side here. Everybody join the code SEAL. SEAL.
Yeah, S-E-A-L.
We're gonna have a meeting of bots. SEAL. I repeat, SEAL. And everyone join. Guys, it took 6 minutes for me. Kick me. So, hope you guys enjoyed. And bye! Hope you have a good day!